Welcome to IndoPlasko. In this video, we'll show you how we use rotational molding to produce large, durable polyethylene parts for industrial, commercial, and marine applications. We start with PE powder, our in-house milled mix of virgin and recycled powder. The exact amount is weighed for each mold to achieve the targeted wall thickness and strength. Once the mold is loaded and closed, it goes into the oven and rotates on multiple axes. Our advanced rotational molding process utilizes dual-axis rotation. This ensures a uniform wall thickness and a stress-free structure, even for complex product designs. As the PE powder heats up, it melts and gradually coats the inside of the mold, forming a seamless hollow part. After the heating cycle, the mold moves to the cooling zone. Controlled cooling helps the part keep its shape. Once the plastic has solidified, we open the mold and remove the finished part for inspection. We don't stop at demolding. We inspect the surface and cut samples to confirm wall thickness, ensuring every product meets our quality and stability standards. If you're exploring rotomolding for tanks, housings, or other large plastic components, IndoPlasko can support you from design to scalable production. Reach out to our team via the link in the description to discuss your next project.